Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to Just Wayne. I'm Wayne, and today we're going to be doing another review. It is the Lego Technic set 42166. But before we get into that, make sure to hit that like button and make sure to smash that subscribe bell so you get notified of future videos like this one. Right, let's get into the build. The release date for this set was the 1st of January 2024. It retails on the website lego.com for £20.99, which is a reasonably good price, but we'll get to that at the end of the video. It consists of 252 pieces. I've always been a huge fan of collecting Lego Technic, particularly in my younger years, and I'm really getting back into it now. I just love the functions and the playability. What's your favourite sets to collect? Let me know in the comments. Make sure to stick around to the end of this video where we take a look at the cost, playability and the overall build experience. If you want to know a fun fact about myself, I started collecting Lego again back at the end of 2022. I've since amassed over 600 Lego sets, varying from Ninjago to Technic and Creator, Creator Expert, all the different ranges. It's been a fun, enjoyable process, apart from the bank that doesn't agree with me. But hopefully you guys can join me on this journey as we build these sets together, speed build and review them all. One set that I had in my younger years was Lego Technic set 8880. I still haven't managed to get my hands back on that, but believe me, one day I will be getting that back and I will be doing a video with it. I hope you guys enjoyed that speed build. Now it's time for the fun bit. Let's test out the playability. There isn't a great deal you can do with this set. You pull it backwards, it'll move forwards. But that having been said, you're only limited by your imagination. You can incorporate ramps and even have races if you've got more than one. I figured for science we should do some more testing, so let's test the range. I do believe this set has more potential to go further, but unfortunately I'm limited by space. Now let's do a drop test. I didn't have high hopes for this, but I was pleasantly surprised. Not a single bit of damage. Nice. Let's get back to the serious technical stuff. So, how did this set score? Playability. I'm going to go straight in 8 out of 10. It's not got a great deal you can do with it, but you are only limited by your imagination, and I think you can have quite a bit of fun with it. Next thing, cost. £20.99 retail price, slightly above similar sets, so I'm going to go with a 7 out of 10 for cost. Finally, how was the build experience? It was okay, a little bit boring I guess because it's a smaller set, makes it quite simple, so I'm going to give that another 7 out of 10. Let me know in the comments how you think I scored it. If you agree with that, let me know. If you disagree, let me know. But that's it from me for now guys. I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.